Welcome to the BookAMed OET series. Today's tip is about OET speaking, using your preparation time wisely. Your success in OET speaking hinges on how well you manage the allotted 3-minute preparation time before each role play. Make the most of this time by following these strategic steps. First, read your role card carefully, ensuring you grasp all the details. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek clarification if anything is unclear. Jot down key points you want to cover during the role play. Plan the time you will allocate to each task within the role play. Crucially, put yourself in the shoes of the patient or family member to understand their perspective. By utilizing this preparation time wisely, you set yourself up for a confident and effective performance. Stay tuned for more insights from the BookAMed OET series. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookamed.com and we will call you.